Welcome to this tutorial on how to highlight specific areas of an image directly in PowerPoint. We will walk through each step clearly so you can easily enhance your presentation visuals. Begin by launching PowerPoint on your computer. Once the application is open, navigate to the presentation you wish to work on. This ensures that you are editing the correct file and that your changes will be applied to the intended project. After opening the presentation, locate the slide that contains the picture you want to work with. It is important to make sure your picture is clearly visible before proceeding, as this will help you better align the shapes later. With the slide in view, move on to accessing the Insert tab. The Insert tab is where you can add various elements to your slide, including shapes which are essential to this highlighting technique. Within the Insert tab, look for the Shapes option and click on it. This action will reveal a variety of shapes available for you to insert into your slide. From the displayed options, select the Rectangle tool. Once selected, draw a rectangle directly on top of the picture you intend to highlight. Take your time to adjust the rectangle so that it covers the exact area you wish to de-emphasize or frame as part of your design. Now focus on the rectangle you just added. Using your mouse, right-click on the rectangle to open a context menu. In this menu, find and choose the option that sends this rectangle to the back of the slide elements. This step ensures that the rectangle does not obscure other important parts of the slide content and remains behind the image when additional shapes are added later. After arranging the rectangle, return to the Insert tab. In the options available, find and click on the Shape command once again. This time, select the Circle tool to add a circular shape on top of your picture. Carefully place and size the circle so that it complements the rectangle and focuses on the particular subject or area of interest within the image. Once you have both a rectangle and a circle positioned on your slide, proceed to the customization phase. Click on the Shape Format tab to access additional formatting options applicable to the shapes you just inserted. The Shape Format tab allows you to fine-tune dimensions, colors, and other stylistic attributes, but for this tutorial we will concentrate on combining the shapes. Within the Shape Format tab, select both the circle that sits over your image and the rectangle that lies behind it. Ensuring both shapes are active sets the stage for merging them into one composite element. With both shapes selected, look for the Merge option in the Shape Format tab's available tools. Upon clicking Merge, a set of merge options will appear. Choose the Combine option from these selections. Combining the shapes in this manner essentially creates a transparent window effect in the picture, where the highlighted circular area is uniquely emphasized against the surrounding area. Following these steps will yield a neat and professional look that draws attention to the part of the image you wish to highlight. Remember, while the process might seem technical at first, each step builds on the previous one to create a refined visual effect directly within PowerPoint. Enjoy experimenting with your shapes and have fun enhancing your presentations with this simple yet effective technique.